So hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to deposit cash to your Bybit account from the Philippines with minimum charges, which means economically. So as you know, Bybit is the number 2 trading platform for crypto, which is the second only to Binance. Binance is not yet available again in the Philippines. It will be. We'll see. I'm seeing ads, but yeah, for now we'll talk about Bybit. Okay, so how do we cash in to Bybit? If you don't have Bybit account, you can make use of my referral below or on my Facebook. There's a referral there. Or go to my YouTube and use my referral link. For this one, we'll need CoinsPH as well, and you can have my referral for both Bybit and coins and earn reward from there. Okay, so there's two way you can cheaply deposit to Bybit. From the Philippines, you can use the TON network or the Bitcoin network, which is PCH. So which means to say you have to you need to convert your currency, your fiat, your money into ton, and then send it through the ton network. Or if you're going to use the BCH, you can use the BCH network, and you need to buy you have to uh, change your coin, your fiat, your money into BCH, and the remittance is very fast. For ton it's 15 minutes, for BCH it's 30 minutes, but the charge is very cheap. So it's around 30 pesos and 27 pesos for BCH. So yeah, you need to cash in to CoinsPH. So if you don't have that, I have my referral link below. And then if you're using, again, if you're trying to use the Ton network, you need to trade for Ton coins, and then you need to get your Bybit Ton address and then send your Ton coins from CoinsPH to Bybit Ton wallet. So this is how it looks like. So we trade 500 pesos worth of Ton, and then once we get that, you get the Ton address from your BCH. So you need to go from your Bybit, go to Bybit, and then click deposit, and then choose this coin Ton, and then choose the chain, which is Ton, and then uh you are going to get your ton address, and it has been upgraded just recently that you are no longer going to use tags for ton transaction, which is good, which is confusing. And then once that's done, since you have ton in your Bitcoin, uh here's your ton coin, that's 500 pesos, send ton, and then you send everything, click box, and then paste your ton address that you get from Bybit, and then click send. And now you are going to send 148 ton to that address. So take note that that you have the correct address, because once you send it out from coins can no longer deposit it. So make sure you have the correct address. And then you get that withdrawal pending notice. You get to uh, key in your 2FA from your email, and then you will have the notification confirmation that you receive ton from coins. So and then it will go to your funding by default. It will go to your funding uh, funding tab in your exchange wallet. We'll talk about that later. So and then to cash in with BCH, it's the same, but it's cheaper by some sort of peso. So you need to cash in coins. So from your bank to CoinsPH, send deposit your money. Again, if you don't have CoinsPH account, please use my referral below. And buy at your BCH and then get your BCH address and then send your BCH to Coins PH. So remittance is around 27 pesos, which is very cheap, but it is a bit slower than Ton. It will take 30 minutes to get deposited to your account. So we buy BCH spot with buy 497 by BCH, and then we will get this one is this the previous one is from your coins, and then you get the BCH address from your Bybit, and then once you have BCH in your portfolio and coins, send it to the address, and then you'll be charged by 27 pesos, and then after 30 minutes you'll have your, depending on the network traffic, your after less than 30 minutes you will have your deposit confirmed, and you'll receive by money, and that will go to your funding wallet, or funding tab of your exchange wallet. So just to make sure you don't lose money, you have to understand that Bybit is a very complex infrastructure. You have different wallet, you have exchange wallet, you have division in your exchange wallet, fundings, unified trading, you have earn, and then there are several divisions, so your money will go to your funding. Okay, and there's a Web3 wallet, which has two different address for it can accept your Ton and BCH deposit as well. You have a Bybit Cloud wallet, which is different from your exchange and your wallet extension, which resides on your computer. And this is different Ton address, it has different BCH address. So make sure you know which wallet. Ideally, for beginner, you want to use your exchange wallet. So make sure and that goes to your funding, so you don't confuse yourself, because your money will be lost in the network if you're not aware of what you're doing. Okay, now the other option is, of course, you can deposit fiat through your ATM, which is that's not advisable because it's very costly. We're sending money from the Philippines to Dubai, and if you're using the Ton network and BCH network, you're sending money from the Philippines to Dubai, and you'll be charged by 27 pesos, which is really very cheap. And then you're using Bybit, which is your number 2 coin or cryptocurrency exchange. And then what else? I think that's thank you. Let's go to Bybit, and let's okay. There's no, okay. Okay, there's your exchange and there's your Web3 wallet. So exchange, now let's talk about exchange first. Your asset will be, if you're on the exchange, your asset will be on so we'll talk about exchange. Your asset will be on funding, and asset will be on your funding or unified trading or earn, or here depending on, I have my loans, I have earn, I have unified trading, I have MT5. So that's your exchange wallet. It has only one address for Ton and BCH. Well, each one for Ton and BCH, and different coins have different wallet address, of course. And then this is your Web3 wallet. Go for Web3, you have your another wallet which is not on exchange, so which reside on your Bybit Cloud wallet, and the other one is your on your Chrome extension, which resides on your machine. So yeah, it has different, it has different it has a different, it's a different wallet. It reside locally on your machine. Let's talk about exchange. So how do you get your BCH address or Ton address? Just click on deposit, and just click on, if you're depositing Ton, you click on Ton, and then that's your Ton network, and then choose Ton, and then get your, just acknowledge, and then you get your Ton address. If you're using BCH, then uh, here, and there's the Bitcoin Cash Network, and acknowledge, and then you get your address. Okay. Okay, that's all for now, and don't lose your money on the network. Make sure you understand, and if you like your video, my video, if you don't have coins account, like my account, my video on Facebook or in YouTube, and if you don't have Coins PH, you can make use of my referral on down the link below, and that's on my favorite on, I think, on Facebook. And thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and Trump has increased by 40%. So yeah, we have a lot of money to buy coffee. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you again for next tutorial.